In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Blogger profile or a Blogspot website permanently. If you're planning to clean up old content or completely remove your blog from the internet, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and safely. To begin, sign into your Blogger account and access your dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll see a list of all the blogs connected to your account. Select the specific blog that you want to delete, making sure you've chosen the correct one, since this action can permanently remove all of its content. After opening the blog, go to the Settings section found on the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you find the area labeled Manage Blog. In this section, you'll see an option to remove your blog. Click on this option and a prompt will appear giving you the choice to either back up your content or proceed with deletion. Before continuing, it's a good idea to download a backup of your blog. This ensures that you still have a copy of your posts, pages, and comments in case you need them in the future. If you choose to create a backup, save the file somewhere secure on your device. Once you're ready, confirm that you want to delete the blog. At this point, your blog will be removed from your dashboard and will no longer be visible to visitors. However, it's important to understand that Blogger usually keeps the blog in a temporary deleted state for a short period, allowing you to restore it if you change your mind. If your goal is permanent deletion, you'll need to complete one more step. Look for the Deleted Blog section in your Blogger dashboard. Find the blog you just removed and choose the option to delete it permanently. Confirm your choice, and once completed, the blog, along with all its data, will be permanently erased and cannot be recovered. Now, if you also want to remove your Blogger profile entirely, keep in mind that it is connected to your main Google account. Instead of deleting your entire account, you can simply stop using Blogger or remove all associated blogs, which effectively clears your presence on the platform. Take a moment to double-check everything before finalizing the permanent deletion, just to avoid losing important content unintentionally. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.